Eva Garland. I'll give her a shout out.
Yes.
And you can see I have all these little marks and things and all these little Post-it notes on here. This was a great tool for us in writing the grant.
I knew I had the motivation and the determination, but I needed some additional skills. So what I did was, I think Debbie and I contacted somebody at UB Centers for Entrepreneur Leadership, and actually I think Patrick recommended, and one of our mentor from the Text Transfer Office at Roswell Park mentioned that we should probably get in some of those courses. So Debbie and I took the MWE, that was the beginner's course, and
which is Minority Women Entrepreneurial Enterprise.
Yes,
by Allstate.
We enjoyed it. And it kind of it gets you to thinking outside the box, just slightly. We had to do a presentation after the course was over. It was very beneficial. They kind of scratched the surface, if you will, just the top of the surface. But it gets you thinking about being a little bit more enterprise, and then your financial statements and income statements and that kind of thing. And you have to seek out people to help you. And it's a lot of people out in the community, in your community, wherever that is, that will help you. The folks at UB Centers for Entrepreneur Leadership, they are just awesome. Any topic you ever want to talk about or need some assistance with, these folks are there to help you.
Applying for something and getting that was really important. And then the other thing was, we didn't really know, I never appreciated grants management and grants administration and what they do until we had to do this. And so getting some help, and our research program at the Research Administration Office at our cancer center was very helpful. And so I would really recommend people to take the time and go meet with them, talk to them about what you're doing, tell them other people have done this. You have other contacts, maybe showing them some other things. Now Sprint's getting some research publications out there about Sprint, and utilizing that and saying, you need to help teach me how to do this part of it, because we don't know. Even the budgeting piece, how to get the notice of award and the money in the right places and various things. And our research administration has been so supportive. They wanted us to be successful. They were very helpful.
Conferences, the SBIR, STTR. I mean, I don't even know how people could get in this space without attending those. The book was helpful that we acquired from Eva Gardner.
Right. But HHS does an annual conference for STTR and SBIR for both you can do phase 1 workshops, you can do phase 2 workshops of commercialization, how to do the budget, and all of the program officers from all the NIH agencies are there at the conference. You have time with them. You can talk to them about it. That was really helpful. And some of the consultants that presented just were so impactful.
I would recommend they contact their Small Business Administration. I contacted them. That's and then your universities in the surrounding areas. But if you're working at academic institutions, I'm sure that most of them are connected with a university. I would go to their entrepreneur office, SBI. Most of the, I think, small business administrations live in these universities.